Check out this seafoam Chevy Silverado built on truck tech that you can enter to win. One of my absolute favorite things to do is take a completed project truck and get it out on the road. And I have to say, I think I'm in love with this one.
This is the 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500, and obviously it is one bad machine.
Now, we cannot leave anything stuck. That's just a given. So the very first thing that we did to this thing is pop the hood and install a Magnuson TVS 1900 supercharger on that 5.3. And she lays down just over 400 horsepower at the rear wheels.
Definitely added some spunk. Then we decided to throw it up in the air 8 inches with a coilover kit, added rear traction bars to stiffen up that rear end, and finish it off with a cool set of tires and wheels.
Now, to support the larger tires and the increased horsepower, we did a few supporting modifications like 456 gears front and rear and a built transmission. And of course, we had to throw in a few other accessories just to make this truck a little more comfortable to live with every single day. But the only thing we have left to do is put some miles on it and drive it. Maybe see if it'll lay some rubber. Now, one thing people often ask when you're driving a lifted truck like this is, how does it handle, how does it drive? Because, a lot of people might think, all right, well, the truck's so top heavy, it just isn't gonna feel stable. Got a green light there, buddy.
Not my shade.
And, as far as a big lifted truck, this thing is sitting up 8 inches higher on 35s. You wouldn't even be able to tell, honestly.
No, you really can't tell. It handles like a, not quite like a stock truck, but that can't really be expected.
No.
But it still handles very well, and it's usable for daily driving with no issues at all. It's not crazy tall. See some of those trucks, get way up there. I guess it'd be a little pain getting in and out, and this is a lot more comfortable. So.
And you can use it in just about any situation too. Like if you want to pull a small trailer, you're covered there. You want to do some off-roading, covered. You want to do daily driving, you're fine. I bet the only thing you probably can't do is park it in a standard garage door, but hey, that's all right.
Parking garages may be off limits, but that's okay. Just pull up to the valet, call it a day.
Where's he gonna park it?
Not your problem. Time to smoke the tires. Come on, baby.
Yeah, it gets down.
Takes off pretty spunky, and I'm glad we put that new transmission too, because it shifts right where it should. Nice and smooth, but firm.
And I like it too because you can't even really tell that supercharger's under the hood until you get your foot in it and you hear it whine. It's got great torque off idle, it's smooth, it's responsive, and this is like the perfect combination of parts that we've assembled here.
For sure, and just over 400 horse, it's nothing crazy. It's not like you're gonna smash on the pedal and, end up sideways in the street every time. But it's still very drivable. And that's what I like about this truck. All the upgrades we've done, the drivability for every day is still there, no doubt about it.